Greetings, everyone, and bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, tout le monde, wherever you may be around the globe. I'm here to tell you about Fonkoze and why I support Fonkoze. I do it to honor my grandmother and women like her who work as mashun, market women, sacrificing everything to provide for their families, ensuring the success of people like me and also future generations. Fonkoze is the platform on which I stand to help Haitian women in rural Haiti become self-sufficient earners. Investing in women in rural Haiti means honoring the Haitian women elders of the past, supporting Haitian women to improve their present circumstances, and driving rural communities towards a future of prosperity and self-sufficiency. In Creole, we say balion bourrade, which means to give someone a push or a boost to help them advance. That's what Fonkoze is, a push, a boost to help women in rural Haiti get ahead. And I'm using my voice for Fonkoze for Haiti because it is my duty as the product of the women Fonkoze serves to say out loud and proud that Haitian women are the potomitan, the center of the community. On this Giving Tuesday, I invite you to join me and thank you in advance for your contributions to help Fonkoze serve its beneficiaries and clients.